I'm in the process of building a not so tiny house, 12 by 46, and I'm working alone. And there's a lot of issues that go along with working alone on a project like this. You know, you have to cut your own boards, give your own measurements, up and down the ladder 100 times, and you can't just sit there and build. You got to do every aspect of it. And going up and down these ladders so many times, that becomes a real problem. If you do it 100 times a day, you feel it. And it just takes a lot of time out. One of the things that I've had to combat is going down one ladder, coming back up the other ladder, going down that ladder, going back up to do certain things. And one of those things I have to do this with is right now here with these rafters, I'm getting ready to put the blocking in between the rafters. And one of the things you want to make sure you do when you put blocking is you want to make sure that this rafter is 100% straight. If you come over here too much with the rafter or over there too much with the rafter, it won't be dead center in this line that I've tensioned across here. Okay, and so when I'm putting a blocking in, I can look at this line and tell, okay, this rafter's straight. Some of these rafters are not straight, they're just bowed. It's been sitting out here I've been started this project in August. It's December now almost, and the weather just does its thing with these. Even though I've got hurricane straps on these, and you know, these things will stay in place on the ends, they're not going to stay in place in the center as time goes on. And I got this wood from Home Depot, and in a lot of cases they just show up warped. I use the best ones for this, and I'm going to use some of the ones that have a little bit more of a warp to them or some other problem. I'm going to use them somewhere because I don't want to throw them away, because the wood is bad enough as it is without using it for firewood. So one of these things I've done here is I've created something that I've never seen before. I know I could go get a laser level and set something up here to get my little line across here. I just don't want to spend the money for it. After this project, I probably won't build anything else. So what I did with the floor rafters is I took a screw and put it right here, and then took another screw and put it on that end, tied the string around the screw, pulled it taut, walked around, came over here, put the string around it, pulled it taut there, and it always gave me a true center line so I could know how to block my floor joists. But now up here, I don't want to get down off this ladder every time to do it. Go over, put the screw in over there, come back over here, put the screw in over here, tie the string in on over here, go over there, tie the string on, do the blocking, get back up and down, take the screws loose, get the screws down, get the string down. Just too much work. So what I've done here is I've created this right here. This is a weight that I've hung on the string. I got one on the other side too, dangling over there. I got one over there dangling as well. And I just take the string and I loop it over the edge, get it centered. Loop it over the edge of that one, get it centered. And as you can see, it acts just like it's supposed to and tells me which way this board needs to go. If I shift the board over underneath of it like this by pushing on it and let it go, you can see the string is maintaining its center. This way I'll be able to get my blocking in there and everything will line up when I'm putting my roofing sheeting on. Hope this is helpful to someone else. And I just can't wait to hear the comments where people are saying that this is not the way to do it. But it's the way I'm doing it, and I wanted to share with you.